Hello. Today we introduce you to Graphiant's state-of-the-art observability project, which provides a real-time consolidated self-healing battle-ready monitoring platform to manage your business network. In addition, we would like to give you a sneak peek into Graphiant's AIOps project Jarvis, and some conversational insights we want to bring forth to your fingertips. We start the demo by setting up notifications that matter most to you, from the rich rule set that we publish for our customers. We provide our customers with the ability to tune these notifications, giving them the option to choose the frequency of evaluation as well as the level of suppression, making sure not to overwhelm the operator while they are in action. Our notification engine will send out an email and demonstrate its integration with Observability during this demo. We jump to our site health dashboard, which shows you a heat map of the state of your network, with pre-canned lenses for the data plane, control plane, and system plane. While this provides a bird's eye view, let us focus on the notification we just got in our email. The alert email quickly highlights that we have a system resource, in this case, memory, that is nearing its capacity. Not only that, but it has also consolidated this information for all the sites that are exhibiting the same behavior, making sure to not cause alert fatigue. The same consolidated view is also visible in Observability, which sets into motion the triage cycle with the link to our alarms page. The alarms page now shows you the active alarms that are present. The consolidated hierarchical view of the alarms and the related sites can be seen here. Let us make things interesting and create a dual failure in your network. We will log in to one of the sites and trigger a process crash. As you can see, we have artificially induced a crash in the SNMP process. We will get this back in focus shortly. Coming back to the task at hand, the consolidated alert. Let us see if we can narrow down what triggered this. We are guided to the system plane of the network, and are not concerned about the healthy sites. We filter down to the critical sites of concern. We now drill down into one of the sites to see what was happening, with relevant information such as the current software version and the time it was last booted made handy. Getting a time series historical view, we can quickly correlate that the memory leak has been slowly creeping into the system since the last upgrade. Let us see if this is a pattern across sites and if our hierarchical alarm engine has indeed detected the same. And yes, we have the smoking gun. The operator can now engage in remediation actions of picking up an image with the fix, or rolling back to a software version of their choice, or simply rebooting the system. For folks who still remember, we have a crash that we had induced. Our system allows you to have a particular lens put on top of the heat map for the plane of observation. In this case, we want to view the network through the lens of crashes, and looks like there are a couple of crashes in the network. Let us see what crashed. Looks like the Geneva site has the SNMP manager that had crashed, and that is also what would have triggered the reboot on that box to auto-remediate the problem to get the system back online. Moving on to providing a sneak peek into the future, we are working on integrating our systems for easier human-computer interaction through our internal project named Jarvis. Let's ask Jarvis some simple but useful questions. For example, who are the top talkers? And there you go. We not only get the information back, we also get a plot of the bandwidth consumptions of these talkers quite simply. Let us ask Jarvis a few more questions. Which destination IP has been hit the most? The most talkative server in our environment, and looks like it is the 10.10.10.12 IP. Let us see what is running on this server, so we can go ahead and ask Jarvis what port number is the one that is most hit and should be our web server. And let us see what Jarvis has to say. It is 443 as expected. Not anomalous, nothing surprising, but it's opening the doors up for our customers to interact with their data. If we have triggered curiosity and you would like to learn what Graphiant can do for you, please feel free to reach out, not to Jarvis, but to us. So we can let the humans walk you through what we are building next for the business internet. Thank you.